Hi everyone, hi again. So in this particular video, we will work on medium 10 SQL questions. In our last video, we have worked on 10 different questions which were on a easy level. But in this video, we will work on medium level. Without wasting time, let's quickly start. So I'm selecting medium here, and this is the database and schema we have. These are the four tables. Let me first write down here it as QUES question 1, and then let me quickly run one test. Okay, so we can see the table is coming. Now I'll click on start. Show all allergies ordered by popularity. Remove null values from the query. Okay, popularity. Okay, when we say popularity, I think they are expecting based on diagnosis. Okay, and everything is there in patients table. So select allergies. So sorry, allergies, comma, count of mm, allergies, and then count of allergies. Diagnosis is here, but we can see it's only one table that is written here, so we'll have to get values here as well itself. So count of allergies as total IAGNOSIS diagnosis from patient's table, and then where allergies is not null and group by allergies. Okay, let's see if this works. Something went wrong, query does not match. Okay, I think I will have to order it, order by descending, because we want the most number of allergies on the top. Let's see now. Okay, order by allergies, order by count of allergies, total diagnosis in descending. All right, it's correct. Okay, so there are three possible solutions. The one is the one that we did. What's the next one? The other one is almost the same one, and then it's again almost same, but using a having clause. All right, let's move to the next question. This is question number 2. So show all patients first name, last name and birth date who were born in 1970s. Decide. Okay, sort the list starting from earliest birth date. So this is what is expected. 1970s means I think they are expecting from 70 to 79, right? Yeah, this is what I see in the output also, starting from 70 to 79. Who were born in 1970s? Decade. Okay, sort the list starting from the earliest birthday. All right, let's see. Select first name, comma, last name, comma, birth year from patient's table, where year of birth date between 1970 and 1979, and then I'll use order by birth date. So the list starting from the earliest. Okay, so this is by default ascending. Let's see what is the solution. Okay, it's correct. This is the expected output. Okay, what are the three different possible solutions we have here? The one is the one that we did now. The other one, okay, here is directly giving the date, and the other one is like, okay, just giving a like function here. All right, let's go. This is question number 3. We want to display each patient's full name in single column. Their last name in all upper letters must appear first, then first name in all lowercase letters. Separate the last name and first name with a comma. Order the list by the first name in a descending order. Example, Smith John. Okay, so this is the expected output. Order the list by first name. Okay, separate the last name and first name with a comma, and order the list by first name. Okay, let's see if how will this work. Select last name, so I'll use a function called upper, and then I'll use last name here, and then we have to concatenate it, so I'll use concat here, comma, in between a comma, and then first name, closing the concat, from patient's table. Order the list. Okay, so this must be maintained into lowercase, so I'll explicitly write down this as lower, because sometimes the first name has the first letter as capital. That's why I'm writing lower. All right, next is order the list by first name. Order by first name. Okay, let's see if this works. Something is wrong. Query does not match the expected output. Order the list by first name in descending order. Okay, so sorry, descending order. Yes, that's correct. Let's go to the, okay, let's quickly see the solution. The first one is the one that we have done. Okay, the second one is just use symbols. That's it. All right, let's go to next question. Question number 4. Show the province IDs sum of height when the total amount of its patient's height is greater than or equal to 7,000. So this is the expected output. So we will be working on this, and then we'll be working on province ID. So what are they expecting? They want us to group the province ID and add the sum of height and display it only if the sum of height is greater than 7,000. Alright. Select province ID, comma, sum of height from patient's table, group by province ID having so I will write down this as sum underscore HIGHT height having sum of height greater than or equal to 7, 1, 2, 3. Alright, let's see. Okay, it's correct. The first solution is the one that we did it. The next solution is, okay, select all from, select province ID, comma, sum of height as some height from patients group by this one, where sum of height is greater than 7,000. Alright, let's go to the next question. This is question number 5. Show the difference between the largest weight and smallest weight for patients with the last name Maroney. Okay, so whichever patient has the last name called as Maroney, largest weight and smallest, show the difference between largest weight and the smallest weight. Okay. So we'll have to find first the a patient with uh, the last name as Maroney and the maximum weight of him, and then the another patient with the last name as Maroney and the minimum weight, and then subtract it and display it. So let me see what I can do. Hmm. Let's try using subqueries here. Select okay, let me think. Hmm, how can I, alright, let's see if I can do in this way. Select last name from patients where patients where no, select max weight from patients where last name equal to Maroney minus same thing here. Alright, so it will go and then select the max weight and then minimum weight, then subtract it as WEIGHT underscore delta. I'm not sure if this will work. Let's see. Okay, it worked. So let's see how they have designed. So select max weight minus minimum weight as weight delta from patients. Okay, this can be done just in a single way. Okay, not bad. Why would I do in so difficult format? I don't know. Okay, very nice. Let's go to the next solution. Next question. This is question number 6. Deleted. Oh, so sorry. Show all of the days of the month 1 to 31 and how many admission dates occurred on that day. Sort by the day with most admissions to the least admissions. Okay. Show all of the days of the month. Why are they focusing on all of the days of the month? And how many admissions occurred on that day. Sort by the day with the most admissions to least admissions. I think they've just rotated the question, but it should be simple, I guess. Okay, let's see. Select day, year, month, date. Okay, day of admission date. Sorry, admission date as number, comma, count of I can use all admission date and count of all as number of admissions from admissions table group by number of admissions, order by day with most admissions. No, order by, oh so sorry, group by day number and then order by, copy this, descending. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay, it's correct. What is the possible solution? This is the only possible solution. Let's move to the next question. Question number 7. Show all the columns for patient IDs 542's most recent admission date. So all columns of patient ID 552 with the recent admission and discharge and everything. Alright. Select all from admission table. This looks pretty easy. Why would they give where patient ID, right? Patient ID is equals to 542 order by admission date descending limit 1. Okay, what is the possible solutions? Group by patient ID they have done for some reason. Patient ID is given, group patient ID where admission date, max of admission. I don't know what they have done here. Okay, max admission date. Done this, and then they have select all from admissions where patient ID is this admission. Alright, let's go to the next question. This is question number 8. Show patient ID, attending doctor ID, and diagnosis for admissions that match one of the two criterias. Patient ID is an odd number, okay, and attending doctor ID is either 1 or 5 or 9. Attending doctor ID contains a 2, okay. Contending doctor ID contains a 2 and the length of patient ID is 3 characters. Okay, let me just read it again. So show patient ID from this table, okay, doctor ID and diagnosis where that match one of the two possible characters, okay, where patient ID, so the mod of patient ID of 2 is no, when we do a mod with that we should have, it should be odd number, and the attending doctor ID should be 1519, and then put a or over there, and then the length of the uh, is either attending doctor ID contains a 2 and the length of the patient ID is 3 characters. Okay, let's go one by one. Let's see if how far can I go. Select attending doctor ID. Oh, so sorry. First patient ID. Patient ID. Attending doctor ID. Diagnosis from admission where I hope this is the symbol for mod here. Let me see. The mod of patient ID, mod of 2. How do you put mod here? Let me Google this. How to use mod in SQL. Okay, there is this mod function, or I can use this. But when I wrote mod, I did not expect it. Not equal to in SQL. Okay, so we can use this or this. 0. Okay, where patient ID is not equal to 0 and doctor ID in 1 comma 5 comma 19. Okay, I'll use or here, or length of attending doctor ID should be 2 and length of patient ID B3. Okay, I'm not sure if this will work or not. Let's see. In complete input, something is wrong here. Something is wrong. Where patient underscore ID mod 2 is not equal to 0 and attending doctor ID N153. Okay, let me go one by one. Maybe this is where it's wrong. Let me remove this part and see if this works. Okay. Okay. I feel the issue is okay. I understood. This missing bracket is there here. Let's see now. Yes, there is output, but obviously the output is wrong. However, it is giving correct answer. Your query does not match. It says. However, if we see it, we can see 5100. I am not sure why this is wrong. Let me see it again. 19 9, okay, 13 1, 15 5, 31 100 102, sorry, 121 22, okay, 100 22, 122, 121, 121, 21, 22, and then it's 125. But here we have 1 103 and 22 and 22 104 and 25. Okay, so there is but attending doctor ID should be 2 characters long, right? Doctor ID contains a 2 and length of patient ID is 3. I think there's something wrong in this part, in the bottom part. Attending doctor ID contains a 2. Okay, I think they're expecting it should have a 2 somewhere. Okay, it should not, it is not is equals to 2 characters length. It should literally have one of the characters as 2. Okay, so what we can do here is how do you get to know if an attending, if a number has 2 in it? How do you know? How do you understand? How do you come up with a solution like that? Attending doctor ID is equals to having. Okay, let's see a solution for this. I'm not understanding. Yes, so show patient ID blah, 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 where attending doctor ID is in this and then this and then or. Oh my god, I forgot. Oh, I'm so silly. I could have used, I always forget that we can use numbers as well with like instead of just letters. So sorry. Like, so silly too, and this will give us the right answer. Okay, something went wrong. Two. Okay, understood. This should be like this. Yes. Alright, let's go to ninth question. Show first name, last name, and total number of admissions attended for each doctor. Every admission has been attended by a doctor. Okay, so we have to show the first name and last name So first name and last name of the doctor, I think we have to go, and then we have to see how many admissions each doctor has attended. Okay, this looks easy. Let's see if we can come up with this. Select first name, excuse me, last name, and count of count of patient ID, or I have done count of admission date. Yeah, date from, first go with doctor, from doctor, so sorry, doctor table as T I will use, join admissions table as A I will use, on doctor ID. Okay, use D dot, so sorry, D dot attending doctor ID is equals to A dot doctor ID group by first name comma last name. D dot, let me give the alias so that you can identify it. D dot and then A dot. Let's see if this works. There is one syntax error somewhere. Where is it? Select D dot first name and then D dot last name, comma A dot as I will use, maybe this is the problem, admission total from doctor as D, join admissions as A, on D dot in doctor ID is equals to A dot in doctor ID, group by first name comma last name. Or I can use group by doctor ID, more sense. Let me just run this once. Okay, something is wrong here. I can use group by doctor ID, so that should not be a problem. Alright, let's see now. Something is wrong. I don't know. I have used somewhere something wrong near count of admission date. So select D dot first name comma D dot last name comma A dot admission date. Spelling is also right. Let me write down patient ID here. As this, there is a comma. It looks correct. Why is it showing an error? I'm not understanding. Group by. Okay, let me remove group by. and then I will see how does it display the output. Maybe there's no need of grouping. Alright, I don't know what is wrong with this. It's really weird. Okay, let me remove this. And then let's run it. No such column. D dot attending doctor ID. Okay, something is really wrong. Okay, understood. Okay, understood. So this is what I did. It's actually D dot doctor ID and A dot doctor ID. Alright. Again, something is wrong. This has attending doctor ID with A. This has D. Okay, let me remove this part again. And then run it. Okay, good. So it is giving me some output. I just have to make sure that I get the count at last. I put a comma here. Count. Let me write down all and let's see if this works. Okay, this works. I don't know why it did not work initially. It should have worked. I don't know why it did not work. Let me see admission date here and then let me try. Oh, okay, I understood. Okay, so unfortunately what I did was I was using a dot here. Actually it should not be here, so sorry. It should be here. A dot. Okay, understood. See, it's correct, however. Alright, let's see the solution. What the other one? Alright, it's almost similar. Let's go to our final question, question number 10. Awesome. So for each doctor, display their ID, full name and first name and last date when they attended. Okay, so let me first delete this. Okay, for some reason my cursor is disappearing. Maybe it's because of white ground or white background or what. Alright, so for each doctor, display their ID. So select doctor ID, comma, full name, full name means we'll have to concatenate it, concat with first name, comma, last name as full name, comma, last admission date they attended, first and last admission date. Okay, so first is minimum, AD admission date as first admission, comma, max admission date as first and last underscore admission from we'll first go with the doctor table. So I'll write down doctor as D join with admissions as A on D dot doctor ID equals to E dot attending doctor ID. Alright, let's see now. This belongs to D and this belongs to D again. This also belongs to D and this belongs to A. Admission date, right? Yeah. First admission date, last admission date. Alright, makes more sense. It's pretty simple. Let's run it. Okay, there's a error near select. Okay, select spelling itself is wrong. Wow. Very nice. Run. Something is wrong. So the expected output is this, but for some reason I am getting only single output. First admission, last admission. Okay, so maybe because of this minimum and maximum, it's doing this. Mm-hmm. Comma. So it was not pretty simple. Yeah, for sure. So select D dot doctor ID, comma, concatenate with first name and last name as full name, and then A dot admission date as first admission and max of. Okay, understood. Let's see. It's same thing. Okay, so maybe I'll have to first do something with this. How to do this? How to do this? Let me think. It's already 40 minutes that we have recorded. So let me think. D dot doctor ID, comma concat D dot first name, comma for each doctor display their ID, full name, first and last admission date they attended. First and last admission date they attended. D dot doctor ID. Okay, so what it is doing is it is taking minimum admission and maximum admission, it is showing me, but I want its last admission and first admission of each doctor. Okay, maybe we should use a having clause here. So I'll use this. Let me run this. Okay, very nice. Now let me write down group by first admission, no, group by full name. So we'll go and then this will group everything. Let me see. Alright, so it is going and then order by doctor ID I'll use. I just want to see if okay, so Claudia and then first admission and last admission. It is randomly giving all the dates, but what we want is we want the minimum first admission and the maximum first admission date. Let me use minimum maximum now and let's see if this works. Okay, it's correct. So I just had to put a group by clause and then order by doctor ID. So this is a possible solution. Blah blah blah. There's first name, last name, count, admissions, aid, go join, and then group by doctor ID. All right. So thank you so much. We have spent almost 40-45 minutes on this. This was our 10th question. Please comment and let me know if I did something wrong. How do I improve? In the next video, we'll move to the hard ones, and let's hope we do it faster. If you have any questions, suggestions, please write in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel and also please share with your friends. Thank you so much.